Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide. In this video, I will show you how to download and install AI browser. Installing the AI browser allows you to experience advanced web browsing features powered by artificial intelligence. So, let's get started on how to download and install AI browser. First, open the Play Store app. Tap on the source icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type AI browser and then tap on the search button on your keyboard. Once the AI browser app appears in the search list, tap on it to open its details page. Finally, on the AI browser's app details page, tap on the install button. And this is how you can download and install AI browser. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.